got me jumping like.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Sulaika Latifah Zilihan. I'm from 64 1B class Management Study Program, and student ID number is 642507881. And I respect Miss Aniati Nurfatela MPD as a lecturer basic English course. And here I will explain material about question word. So, what is meant by we have question or question words? In Indonesian, we have 5 we plus 1 ha. But the English we have is question word. Question are question word in English that are written starting with we have words. Where, when, why, what, whom, who, which, was, and how. So, definition of question word. Question word is a word used to ask about something, whether it's reason, time, place, object, person, or many other things. Question word is kalimat tanya dalam bahasa Inggris. Question word: what, why, who, whom, where, which, when, and how. The first is what, apa. What is an English question word used to ask about object, activities, or concept that occur or are involved in particular event, activity, or context. What is a question word that function to ask about something or something related to someone, yang relate dengan seseorang. What is question word used to ask about something or an object. The example, what is your name? What is your hobbies? What is your favorite book? What are you doing here? Nah, this is the example. What is your name? Siapa nama kamu? What are you doing? Apa yang kamu lakukan? What is this? Apa ini? What is your favorite book? Apa buku favorit kamu? What are your hobbies? Apa hobi kamu? So, what is question word is used to ask about something or object. Something related to someone and object. Jadi sesuatu yang relate ke seseorang sama objek. When? Kapan? When is an English question word used to ask about the time or period in which an event occurred. Its function is to obtain information about a specific time or period in a conversation or situation. So, when is question word used to ask about time or period. Kalimat tanya yang digunakan untuk menanyakan time or period atau waktu atau periode. So, when is question word used to ask about time or period. The example, when is your birthday? Kapan kamu ulang tahun? When did you arrive in Jakarta? Kapan kamu akan sampai di Jakarta? When is the next train to London? Kapan kereta selanjutnya yang pergi ke London? When does the movie start? Film itu akan mulai. When will you finish your homework? Kapan kamu menyelesaikan PR kamu? So, when is question word used to ask about time or period, waktu, waktu, atau periode. Where? Di mana? Where is a question word in English that is used to ask about the location or place. Lokasi atau tempat. When an event occurred in conversation or situation. So, where is question word used to ask about place or location. Location. For the example, where do you live? I live in Jakarta. I live in Bandung. Where do you work? Di mana kamu kerja? I work in Bandung. Where do you go? Kemana kamu akan pergi? Where does she live? Di mana dia tinggal? Where are you going for dinner tonight? Who or siapa? Who is an English question word used to ask about the identity of person. This word used to ask someone atau seseorang or person. Who help us identify a relevant person or subject in context. So, who is question word is used to ask about person atau someone. For example, what is that girl? Is Lisa, my best friend. Sings this song, siapa yang bernyanyi? Who is your best friend? Siapa teman kamu? Who is the president of the company? Siapa presiden kita di negara ini? So, who is question word used to ask about someone or person. Why? Kenapa? This word is used to ask about the reason behind an event, action, occurrence, or situation. This word to ask for specific reason atau alasan. Reason, alasan. For the example, why are you crying? I'm crying because I broke up with him. Cheating on me. So when you want to know why something happened or why someone did something, you can ask why, kenapa. For example, why are you late? Kenapa kamu telat? What did you choose this university? Kenapa kamu memilih universitas ini? Why do you have a dog? Kenapa kamu mempunyai anjing? Why are you happy now? Kenapa kamu bahagia sekarang? Why are you crying? Nah, kenapa kamu menangis? Which is an English question word that help us choose between several options. Choose. Memilih. Function is to request information about a particular choice from a number of available options to assist us in decision making. So, which is a question word used to help us choose between several options. Untuk memilih. C. For example, which dress I should wear to the party, the red one or the blue one? I think the red one is better for you. Or I think the red one is nice for you. Option. Choose option. Memilih. Which color do you prefer? Red or blue? Red or blue? Which one should I buy? iPhone or Samsung? Yang mana ponsel yang saya akan beli? Apakah yang iPhone atau Samsung? Whom is a question word used to ask about the person who is the object in a sentence. So if who question word used to ask about someone or person, if whom is question word used to ask about person, but the object whom can only be used as the object of a pronoun or a personal pronoun that acts as an object in a sentence. For the example, whom did you give the present? Whom did you meet at the conference? Whom you are talking to on the phone? Whom should I ask for help? Whom are you waiting for? Whose? If you ask what's the difference between whose, who, and whom? Nah, the difference is whose is question word used to ask about possession. Jadi kepemilikan. Possession is kepemilikan. So, whose is question word used to ask about possession. For the example, whose phone rang during the meeting? Ponsel siapa yang berbunyi di meeting itu? Whose bag is lying on the table? Whose name did you write on the paper? Whose book is this? Punya siapa buku ini? Whose car is parked outside? Mobil siapa yang parkir di luar? So, whose is question word used to ask about possession, kepemilikan siapanya ini, tentang kepemilikannya. And the last one is how. There is how for you to ask when you want to ask about manner or process, condition, and quality. This question would also apply to ask about price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity. For the example, how much this book? How much this phone? How much do you need? Berapa banyak yang kamu butuhkan? How was your exam? How much money do you have? How often do you go to Bali in a year? This is the grammar for question and for answer. For question is question word plus auxiliary verb or verb to be plus subject plus main verb, and for the answer is subject plus verb plus complement. Page 18 that. This is the dialogue. Lisa, I seemed to see your older sister yesterday. Really? Where did you see her? Where? Di mana? Lisa, I saw her when I was practicing football on the social club near the school. Yes, my sister does join the girls' soccer club, and yesterday she was training. All the material explanation about question word. I apologize if there are any mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh my